I go to File and open the recent image. That's the one I just had on the screen without the raindrops. Now we make a new layer, a transparency, a full transparency. Just click the OK button. It defaults to that normally, and go to your ellipse tool and draw a circle on the leaf somewhere, like not too big, around about that size. Now I go to my blend tool. Now the blend is already chosen, the gradient, so I just drag it from the center out a little bit, and that's just about right, I think. Now I go to select and I select none. I go back to my ellipse tool because I want to put another couple of raindrops on here, so we just put a smaller one down here, and we go to our blend tool again and just drag a little bit till you get that whitish edge. That's about right. Then we go to select and we select none. We go to our ellipse tool and we come over here and we just drag a little bit down because the leaf's pointing up a little bit, and it appears to be the raindrop is starting to run a little. Now we go to our blend tool again and just drag a bit of colour back into there, and we go to select and select none. Now we go over to our modes layer and hit the down button and click on overlay, and that overlays them in that style of format. It shows them as a type of transparency. It blends the two together. Now I go to the top layer again, right click on it and ask it alpha to selection. Now that selects all those round ones again, the raindrops. I go to filters and I go to light and shadow, and I put in a drop shadow. Light and shadow and a drop shadow. And the script loaded down the bottom. Now we can leave it at the default. Everything's pretty neat there, so we hit OK. Now it's put in a drop shadow. It's looking a little bit more realistic now. We go to select and we select none. Now it's appearing to be a little bit like a water drop. Now you notice the sun is shining from the left hand side because of the shadows of the leaf. So we go to our fuzzy select brush over here and choose a fuzzy brush. Change the colour to white by swinging it on this little switch here. Click on it and it changes to white. We go to our brush tool and click on there and just move into the area. If the brush is not the right size, we just use the square bracket keys on the keyboard. Now I'm using the right hand one, and it increases the size just enough. Now try and pick where the sun might be coming from. Click on it once and it gives a little bit of a reflection. Change, go to the other one and around about the same angle. Now over to your running water leaf one and click on there, and it gives it that effect. Now we just go to the top layer and flatten images. And that's the tutorial completed. It's got that realistic water droplets on there. So thank you for watching, and rate the video and visit my channel. There will be a printout on how this achieved with simple step-by-step instructions.